right, gang, we got a triple play here, man. It's a win-win-win.
Yes, it is, man.
So I got
for everybody around.
Yeah, well, I got a buddy who's got an M2. Sweet, dude. 2020 CS package. This thing is sweet. Well, he wants a pedal commander. Easy. So win for him. Well, you know what? This is on my radar, man. One of those cars you think, maybe I'd want one. It's like, dude, put the pedal commander in there, go drive it around a little bit, see if you like it. So win for me. And we're going to pick up some steel to do the fabrication on that box body, so a win for him.
Yeah.
All right, pedal commander, if you haven't seen them, man, they're awesome.
Yeah.
It goes right in between your pedal, which is drive-by-wire to your throttle,
Sure.
and your harness. You just plug and play. But now you can change the attitude of your pedal and your throttle position, so you can get that instant acceleration you want.
Everybody's aware of the factory correlation between that throttle body, the blade, right, and your foot going down. But now that throw is shortened up a lot. So now a little bit of throw gets you a lot of gas pedal. Whoa! Whoa.
Yeah, it takes the delay out, man, because all these vehicles from the factory, they put the mush setting in there. Man, you go out ripping it in Sport Plus, you go around the city in city mode, right? However you want to dial it in. Well, the other thing it's got too is a security mode. So it's an add-on feature. It's like $1 a month, and it's so worth it. But it basically will make your pedal just obsolete.
Yeah.
So somebody gets in, maybe they can hotwire their car, they fire it up. Wow, it's great. Then they push the pedal, nothing happens. So a great little security feature. You can operate everything on your phone through the Bluetooth app. Super cool way to go.
Hey, all right. As a guy that's had his truck stolen, that's a feature that's worth the pedal commander purchase price right there.
All right, so I've determined I like the car.
Yeah.
I like the pedal commander in the car, but I think maybe we should pull over here because, you know,
Sport or Sport Plus.
The steel company.
Yeah,
We've driven by like 4 or 5 times already.
Maybe we should actually go buy some stuff.
Let's go in there and get some steel.